Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub with breaking news about IELTS. Well guys, many students, not many students, few students, they are always looking for a backdoor channel, or they are looking for under the table way or under the table deal to pass their IELTS, and they never succeed. Okay, I'm telling you. Very recently in Indian Punjab, right, there was a gang, and that gang was charging hefty amount to help the students to achieve their desired band in IELTS. Now I've got this cutting from the newspaper which I'm going to share with you as well. What they did, like they had a complete gang. Right, one of them was intelligent enough to get 7-8 band. His English was good. He was the part of that gang, and then there were some students, and these candidates, they were given some bugs. Bugs are recording devices, microphones, audio devices, and all that. So there are some Bluetooth devices, very small devices which can be fit inside the ear, and it is not even visible to the invigilators, and they don't do thorough checking of the candidates and all that. So what happened, because in India there is only one IELTS test center, there is only one player in India. So what happened, the test was going on, and then they caught several candidates with those bugs in their ears, right, those Bluetooth devices and all that. And how they were doing it, like one guy had the camera in the button of his shirt, he used to take picture of the test. Another guy outside, he used to solve the test, right, or maybe the guy inside used to solve the test, and then they just went on. I don't know their mechanism, but this is once one of my students told me about it, that in the same exam there is one intelligent student who is solving the test, and he's got this button camera, and through the button camera, one sitting outside, he sees the answers, and then he actually speaks the answers. For example, listening is going on. Question number 1, he will say answer is ship. Question number 2, answer is weather. Question number 3, answer is environment. Like this, they were going on and writing. And guys, listen, you can cheat in listening. You can cheat in reading, and the guys do the same thing in writing also. In writing, one person is solving the test, other one is watching that test from outside because of the camera, and then he is narrating the essay, he is narrating the report and all that stuff, okay, and the others are writing because they have bugs in their ear and the other device somewhere secret, okay. So actually you can cheat in 3 parts. What about speaking? Now what will you do? These bugs will not help you in speaking test. And if your reading, writing, listening band is higher and speaking band is lower, there will be inquiry on results. Very simple. When there is inquiry on results, one of my subscribers, when they called inquiry on results, they called him to their test center, to their office, and there they gave him one reading test, one listening test, one writing test, and they said, now solve this test in front of us. Now what will you do? Though bugs, nothing else. So let me tell you, there is no number 2. And by the way, for this whole procedure, they charged around 500,000 Indian rupee or more than that. 500,000 Indian rupee or more than that. So why you guys are so crazy? Instead of paying 500,000, you can improve your English up to that level and you can get the band score. And even after spending 500,000, you cannot achieve your desired band because you will be stuck in speaking. Just imagine, listening 8 band, reading 8 band, writing 7 band, speaking 4.5. Now what will you do? You are caught. When speaking 4.5, immediately their system will actually mark you, and then your result will be marked down for inquiry, and then there's going to be inquiry on results, and your test result will be cancelled, and sometimes they call you to their office and they make you solve the test. So please, there is no number two of IELTS. The integrity, solidarity, and all that, what do you say, the reliability of IELTS, that's why it is too much. There are other tests there. There is PTE, there are other tests, but they are not reliable. There is one test, Duolingo, not reliable at all. Okay, so IELTS is reliable, and there are quality checks. There are several checks on IELTS. So please, I request you all, beware. Number one. Number two, you will see this thing on Insta and Facebook that there are some people who are claiming they will send you IELTS certificate, right? They have some setting with British Council, IDP, all fake, 100% fake. Those people, they later on actually blackmail you. I've seen several examples. Once you pay the initial amount, you are stuck. Even if that amount is $100, once you pay $100, now to protect your $100, you will be forced to pay the next $200. And when you pay $300 in total, to protect your $300, you will pay the next amount, the next amount, the next amount. They will go on and they will get money out of you, and in the end, you will get nothing. So please, for God's sake, wake up. I mean, if you give 6 hours to IELTS every day and you watch my videos for 1 month, you can get your desired band, and it will not cost you anything at all. Just your internet and your time. So why you guys are wasting your time, and why you are looking for other ways and other methods of getting IELTS done and all that? Please, for God's sake, I've just shared this cutting of the newspaper. You can see that I can't read Hindi, but those who can read Hindi, they can just read this and see what's going on, okay? Anyways, all the best. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. I also teach IELTS online all over the world. Instead of paying those people, like I charge 1% fee of that, or maybe 2% of that, okay? So you can join my online IELTS classes, and I teach IELTS on campus here in Lahore. If you are from Lahore, or you can come to Lahore, you can join my live IELTS classes where I will teach you IELTS. Thank you very much. All the best. Beware. Take care. Allah Hafiz.